Sali daw kayo sa kanya guys, oh. 15167 6.
Sige lang. Take your time. Take your time, bro.
Ano pag friends na lang kayo ng dating nililigawan mo?
Masaya pa rin ako, kamo. Kasi bakit?
Bakit?
Hindi na wala yung friendship.
Retreat. Retreat.
First item boots.
Blood. Ally slain. Enemy double kill. Ally
Hindi, ano gawin ko pa sila.
enemy missing.
Wisdom is found by seeking, not by knowing.
Wala pang item si Rengar, no?
I wish only to be worthy of the dragon's blessing.
Engage. Under attack.
True virtue is a cloud reforming itself. Worthy foe.
You have slain an enemy.
There is more virtue on the white.
Retreat from the. You have slain an enemy.
Hyper na hyper. You should be focused para ma-pull up mo yung ano. Ma-pull off mo ng perfect yun, grabe.
Enemy slain. Enemy missing. Danger.
Wala akong item. So, mataas yung gold ko pero wala akong stats. So, imbis na mag-gank, uwi muna ako, then gank. Diba? So, I will be more effective this fight because kinonvert ko yung item, yung gold ko into items. Okay, now we can just splash to this Yasuo. Diba? It's a perfect gank, you know. Let's try to counter gank here.
My face.
Attack this champion.
Diba? Sobrang naging effective tayo dahil binibili ko yung gold na meron ako.
Retreat from the enemy champion. Rampage.
Let's go! Oh!
Wisdom is found
Retreat.
by seeking,
Enemy
not
missing.
by knowing. I wish only to be worthy of the dragon's blessing. My blade ends all illusion.
Alright, focus. Still have games to conquer.
I shall cut through these villains like a spring wind parts the mist. Cloud strike.
Mag-convert na ba tayo ng item? Ng gold to item? Sa tingin ko. Sayang to eh. Shit. Grabe, magaling to siya eh.
Engage. On my way. On my way.
Watch carefully, di ba? Andun yung ano, nasa dragon yung, ay wala. Sorry. Kala ko nasa dragon na si Rengar.
The enchanted ensemble has been summoned to the mid lane. Killing spree. Slain the dragon.
I wish
Ang nakakala ko naman pupunta yung Veigar. Nagsignal yung Veigar, pre. Shutdown ako, pre.
On my way.
there is more virtue.
Pwede sumali low elo, Daya. Diamond. May kakampi kaming, ano eh.
Retreat.
May kakampi kaming GM. Ano palang role mo? May mamamatay na sa loob, pre. Pasukin mo na. Ito, pre.
Middle turret is under attack.
Dapat inipit na natin sa torre. Ito na. Okay. I'm ready for more.
Slain an enemy.
Ito po.
Such is the fate of any villain of this.
Hindi, minions muna, minions. Sige, kunin mo lahat. Yan. Torre tayo, ah. Tapos, siyempre, mag-i-stay to si, Yasuo. Not bad.
You have slain an enemy. First turret destroyed.
Not bad.
Shut down. Ally slain.
Gagi. So. Oh, let's go! What the fuck was that, bro? What the fuck?
Is under attack.
Yo, kung di ko nakalabit. Chill, just chill. What the heck was that? Sobrang ganda ng laro ko ngayon, gagi.
Enemy slain.
Wait lang, kailangan ko ba nito? Oh, yes. Kailangan ko nito.
Turret is under attack.
Worthy of the dragon's blessing.
Dayawan, sige, pwede. Paiban tayo. Anong role mo? Baron lane. May Baron lane kami, boss eh. Yung GM. Itong si Zion. Meron din. Top 1 Veigar.
Turret is under attack.
ADC wala pa. Pero dapat ADC main ka.
True virtue is a cloud.
Grabe! 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 Nakita mo yung ginawa ng Rengar? Dire-diretso siya sa damo?
Enemy slain.
Ah, sige. Lucian. Okay, pwede yan. Mobility. Goods yan. May aalis pala isa. Sinong aalis dito? Si Zeus ata. Or si Zeon. Parang makakasali ka talaga pala. May aalis pala kami.
Slain the dragon.
Side solo.
Bottom turret is under attack. Attack this
Patay.
champion.
Tumataba yung ADC. Kailangan ko ng ano? Dipinsa mekanismo.
Attack Baron.
On-hit item siya. Nag-on-hit siya.
Shut down. Enemy slain.
Sino pumindot nung ano? Sino pumindot nung halaman na yun?
Has slain Baron Nashor.
Ginigilabutan ako sa mga ginagalawan ko ngayon. Baka ano, nasanay na ako sa tablet. 1v1 oh. Na-dodge ko nga. Ang galing. Critical. Walang critical. Rengar lang critical. Oh my goodness. What should I build? Pwede na siguro to.
Enemy
Next item will be... What do you call this? Randuin summon.
ally slain. Enemy slain. Double kill. Enemy slain.
Sorry.
An enemy. Attack the turret.
Such is the fate of anything I face.
Wind of change!
Patay ito.
Enemy turret destroyed. Enemy turret destroyed.
Sayang yung ano ko. Sterax gauge. Just followed. Cram, thank you. Follow.
True virtue is a cloud before itself.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, kailangan natin ngayon ng anong next item? Pwede na yung Death's Dance na. Yo, bro, don't die please. Don't die please, bro, don't die please. Okay, tapos na kayo guys. Ubus na.
Attack this champion.
Gago, nasan yun? Naglakad pala siya. Nababaliw sila eh, no? Alo! Attack speed, Brave. Nababawasan yung attack speed niya. Thanks to Randuin's Omen.
Such is the fate of any villain I face.
The enemy team has slain the dragon.
There is more virtue on the winding path.
Enemy turret destroyed.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Attacks
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Biar na, biar na.
from Baron. Has slain Baron Nashor. Ally slain. Perfect. Killing spree. Killing spree.
We win, we win, we win. Just calm down, we win. Okay. Ah, sige po, Tay.
Enemy turret destroyed.
Bilang guys, mag-break lang ako after nito. Sorry sa mga napangakuan ko sa sali. May ano na. Ulit ako ng diaper yung baby ko. Bilang guys.